Now we start with the dissection of anterior compartment of forearm, which is known as flexor compartment, and it consists of three group of muscles: superficial, intermediate and deep. Now first we start with the superficial group of muscles. And superficial group of muscles are muscles, they are origin from the common flexor region. This is the common flexor region, and this is the common extension origin. ये common extension origin है, common flexor origin, common extension origin. And all muscles of flexor compartment, superficial group, they arise from common flexor origin. And muscles from lateral to sides, medial side are, first this is pointer teres. This muscle is the pointer teres. Start from common flexor origin to the shaft of radius. Second is, this muscle is flexor carpi radialis. The flexor carpi radialis. And this is the palmaris longus. Long tendon, the palmaris longus. Short belly and long tendon, the palmaris longus. And this muscle is flexor carpi ulnaris, medial side, the flexor carpi ulnaris. And this muscle is brachioradialis, lateral most. Extensor group की muscles है the brachioradialis and flexor carpi radius के बीच में, in between there is a artery and vein. And the artery is here. This is the radial artery, you see, and its vena communicans. Start from cubital fossa and to the wrist, to the flexor retinaculum. And in medial side there is also artery and with nerve, the ulnar artery and its vena communicans and ulnar nerve. This is the ulnar nerve. Basically this is the neurovascular bundle on medial side with ulnar nerve and ulnar artery. I am just separating ulnar nerve from ulnar artery. Then common facial sheath. You see, here is the ulnar nerve. Simply in this side there is the radial nerve. Now muscles you see, सबसे पहले lateral most is pointer teres, then flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus and flexor carpi ulnaris. Now we see these are the superficial compartment group muscles. Now the intermediate. To see the intermediate, we have to cut the tendon of superficial muscles. Cut the tendon of flexor carpi radialis and palmaris longus, and reflecting these tendons, and we see the muscle. Look at this very thick and bulky muscle, and this is flexor digitorum superficialis. This whole muscle is flexor digitorum superficialis, and this is the intermediate group of muscles. And deep it, we have to cut it again. But be careful, below this exact nerve beneath light is median nerve. It should be separated, and this median nerve is exact lie in between. This muscle is flexor digitorum, flexor digitorum profundus, and this is the flexor digitorum superficialis, and beneath this is the median nerve. We have to separate the median nerve. Then we cut this muscle. and just reflect it. Now we see the deepmost muscle, which is flexor digitorum profundus and flexor pollicis longus. This muscle is flexor pollicis longus. These are tendon of flexor pollicis longus, and these are the tendons of flexor digitorum profundus. And beneath the deepest most is pronator quadratus. The pronator quadratus. This muscle is pronator quadratus. So let us start from the first. Pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor carpi unlace. Now we are reflecting the flexor digitorum superficialis, and in below this muscle is median nerve exact in the midline, and then the flexor digitorum profundus, and medially, laterally it is the flexor pollicis longus, and in between is the muscle is pronator quadratus. Thank you.